it's really nice to come your way again. I hope you're all doing great and you're really taking care of yourselves. Today, I am taking you to the streets of Ghana. We are making Kelewele. Can you try saying that? Kelewele. Nailed it! So Kelewele is basically spiced ripe plantain. Now, ripe plantain is not the same as banana. Let me just show you. So this is a plantain. It's not the ripe one. This is ripe plantain. So ripe plantain is kind of a banana, but a bigger banana. And this is what we are going to use today. We are going to spice it up and make it a Ghanaian street food. Let's get started. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more great recipes. Thank you so much. Here's what you will need. 4 fingers of ripe plantain, about a thumb size of ginger, 2.5 cloves of garlic, 8 pieces of whole cloves, 6 pieces of grain of selims, also known as Hwentia in my local language, a piece of star anise, 6 pieces of whole red chilli, a bottle of oil. You're going to use a whole lot. This recipe takes, because we are going to deep fry, so it takes a whole lot of oil. A medium-sized onion, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt. Let's get started. So we will start by blending all the spices, but before that, I will cut and wash all the spices before I blend it. So add about 1/4 cup of water to it and blend. So pour all the blended spice in a container. Lastly, we are going to add the nutmeg, black pepper, and salt and mix it together. So wash and peel the plantain and cut them into small sizes. So I will use this first one to demonstrate. Okay, and like that, and then you cut it across and slice it again like so, and just cut like that. So do this to all of the plantains. So after you've cut the plantains, now we are going to marinate the plantain with the spices mix that we made. Be careful not to cut the plantains too tiny. It ends up getting burned. So sizes like this or that is fine. Don't cut it as tiny as this. It will end up burning. So now we will add all the spice and mix it together. You can do it with your hand, but I wouldn't advise that because it will burn afterwards. So mix this and let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before you fry it. So now add your oil to the pan. Now you have to make sure before you put in the plantains, you have to make sure that the oil is hot. Okay, if it's warm, it will end up absorbing the oil and it will be so soggy. You don't want that. So make sure that the oil is hot and then put it in, and then you lower it to a lower heat or a medium heat. So you want the oil to be on this level of hotness before you start frying. So let's add. So after you've put the spiced plantain in the oil, please, you have to pay attention to it because it's easy to burn. So please pay attention to it and stir and turn or stir when necessary. We're going to fry this for about 7 to 10 minutes depending on the power of your heat. It might be less than that or more than that. So it's all done and it looks really delicious. Enjoy this with some peanuts. Normally in Ghana, this is enjoyed over some peanuts. We call it granuts, but you can also enjoy it with any kind of nuts. So today I'm using some cashew nuts, and your snack or dessert or whatever you want to eat this for is ready. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and families, comment below, try this recipe. If you try, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more great recipes. Thank you so much and see you next time.